Assalamualaikum friends, here is YouTube thumbnail templates for Photoshop, but these are protected. Password in this app: go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, Sheri SK. Follow me and subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri SK Official. Okay, here is Digital Marketing Agency, YouTube video thumbnail. Font information in this text file, and here is a PSD file. Simply you can write anything and import your image here. Double click and open any image. Here is a website, poster. Drag there. Now right click, create clipping mask, Ctrl S, and you see our thumbnail is ready. Background color depend your own choice. Okay, now you can write anything in you see in later. Here is a text folder, here is element. Okay, now next is school admission thumbnails. Okay, simply import your school image and write any detail of admission. Thumbnail for dentist, like a doctor, healthy smile. You can import same thing here. You can change everything like a background, text, elements or image. Font information is here. You need these font. Okay, here is a fitness thumbnail. For example, open this one and need image. Click here. Gym photo like this one. Drag there. Enter, Ctrl S, and you see our thumbnail is complete ready. So you can import second photo here. Double click and open this one. Drag here. Enter, right click, create clipping mask. Yes, and you see our thumbnail is here. Double click, Ctrl S. Oh, you can adjust. And here is a text font. Here is a button icon, and here is a UI. That's mean URL logo. Now same thing here. Double click, open here. Open image folder, import this one. Drag here, Ctrl S, and you see our images here in this area or in this circle. Enter, Ctrl S. Okay, change color. Depend your own choice. Now last is blog channel. Here is a template, lifestyle. Simply import your photo, write anything. These are fully editable. Drag there, Ctrl S, And you see our thumbnail is ready. Change background color. Okay, now no, here is a music bit lover. I hope these thumbnails are useful for you, and download this app for password. Take care, love is.